In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma to Android Studio. We'll walk through a simple workflow using a Figma plugin so you can take designs you've already built and prepare them for Android development. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so the export process is smooth and predictable. First, open the Figma website in your desktop browser and sign in. Make sure you're working on the desktop version rather than the mobile app, so you have access to all the menus and plugins we'll use. Once you're in, open the specific page or file that contains the design you want to bring over. If your file has multiple pages or frames, navigate to the one you plan to export and select the relevant frame or component so the plugin knows what to process. Next, look to the top of Figma for the Actions menu, sometimes called Quick Actions. This is the search-style command bar that helps you find tools, features, and plugins without digging through menus. Click Actions to open it. When the Actions panel appears, choose the Plugins category. This filters the results so you can quickly access the tools that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search field, type Export Kit. You should see the Export Kit plugin appear in the results. Click it, then click Run. This launches the plugin window right inside Figma. If it's your first time, give it a moment to load and follow any on-screen prompts from the plugin so it can read the selected frame and prepare the export settings. Inside Export Kit, locate the Android option. Click Android to set the output target for your export. This ensures the plugin formats assets and code with Android in mind, which can include drawable resources, XML-friendly naming, and file structures that are easier to work with in Android Studio. After confirming the Android target, click Export. The plugin will process your selection and generate the output files. Depending on your design's complexity, this may take a minute. Keep Figma open while it finishes. When the export completes, you'll receive a folder or a zip file containing the assets and any generated resources. This is what you'll use in your Android workflow. At this point, you can review the exported images, check that naming is consistent, and verify that sizes and densities look correct. If anything seems off, go back to your frame in Figma, adjust the design or layer names, and repeat the same export steps for a cleaner result. That's it. You opened Figma, navigated to your page, used Actions to find plugins, ran Export Kit, chose Android, and clicked Export to generate resources ready for Android Studio.